Boys and girls, you're going to write your first name, last name, and date on the line. You need your Scholastic News to complete the following paper. You're going to read specific sections of your Scholastic News and answer a question. So you're going to start reading the article. Stop when you get to the heading, Making a Trash Board. So here in my Scholastic News, I'm going to read these first 3 paragraphs, and I'm going to stop when I get to making a trash board. The question that you're going to be answering is, what did Ryan find on the ground that he wanted to recycle? You're going to answer using a complete sentence what Ryan found on the ground that he wanted to recycle. Ryan found blank on the ground that he wanted to recycle. Question 2. Read making a trash board, then stop. So start at making a trash board and stop when you get to the next heading. What did Ryan want to do with the trash he found? Ryan wanted to do blank with the trash he found. Make sure you start with an uppercase and end with a period. You're also going to answer the question, besides face masks, what was another material Ryan recycled to make the surfboard? What other material did Ryan use to make the surfboard? Read testing the trash board, then stop. What problem did Ryan solve? Ryan solved blank. On this page, you're going to repurpose it. When you repurpose something, you use it in a new or different way. It's another word for repurposing is reusing. Choose an item below and think of a creative way to repurpose or reuse it. Then answer the questions about your creation. One item you could repurpose is a plastic water bottle, a glass jar, or paper towel rolls. Draw your idea here of what you're going to repurpose and how you're going to use it. What did you create? How is your creation used? Why is it helpful to reuse materials?